Greetings once again. In today's guide, we'll demonstrate the process of upgrading your unsupported PC from Windows 10 to Windows 11 while retaining all your data. Begin by connecting the Windows 11 USB, which you can create using Rufus. If you need assistance in creating the Windows 11 USB, check out our dedicated video. You can find the link in the description below. Execute the Windows 11 setup.exe file from the USB drive. During the setup, bypass the updates. Opt to retain everything, and allow the setup process to run its course. Expect the system to restart a few times. Once the setup is complete, you'll have a fully operational version of Windows 11. Fantastic job! You've successfully installed Windows 11. Seamlessly upgrading from Windows 10 without any data loss. If you discovered this video to be useful, Please consider sharing it and subscribing to our channel.